Hello YouTube, welcome to another video of Chainsaw Man episode 4. If you like my reaction so far, please leave a like and subscribe, and also check out my Patreon for the uncut, unfiltered version as well. And if you would like to watch, the video before it usually uploads, don't forget to join my membership as well. Thank you so much. So far, I've been enjoying the series. The last episode we left it at, it was like this bat monster, like bat demon that ate Miyoko. So now we're going to continue. And then we saw like this super cool action fight. Oh. Eh? Oh my god. I keep forgetting. Oh my god. I keep forgetting Power is actually a demon. Oh my god. I genuinely keep forgetting she's actually a demon because she looks really cute, and oh, so this is okay, this is how they're doing like backstory of Miyako. And oh, so usually she wouldn't go for a human. No. Oh my god, Power. No! Oh my god, she's crying. Wait, Miyako is still alive. Oh yeah, the bat actually ate her, so she's not yet digested. Thank god. Oh, Denji. Denji. You know what's fair? It really is a foolish reason, but I mean, I guess it works. Oh. Is he really going to do it? Why did I even... Wait, what the hell? What the hell? What is going on? Who is this one? Okay. Dude, I feel like now every episode of Chainsaw Man is more action. Maybe like in the beginning, they were trying to like get me used to, the scene. Yeesh, oh my god. I want to see, I don't know if that's like, the ending cool design that we just saw there in the black suits. Ew, what the? Oh my god. No. Oh my god, I think they're cooked. I was about to say, since Denji, wants to fondle, Booba so much, she has like a bunch of Booba for him to choose, but but maybe not. Maybe she's not his type. Oh, they were dating? Why does he sound like a Gyaru demon? just a tiny bit. Oh. How is he going to survive this one though? Oh my god. Like he can't even regenerate. Watching this, now I understand why people are like mad at the One Punch Man animation of the season 3. Because look at the animation here. This looks really good. Oh my god. Yeah, he doesn't have enough strength. Yeah, he doesn't have enough strength. Oh. That is true though. There's no way this anime is going to make me think his reason is a serious one. Really? Really? That's what the anime is trying to make me think? Oh my god! I love Denji. He's actually so insane. I don't even know what to say. Really? Really? He got mad? I feel like he just got rage baited here. Holy crash out of the century. What the? Oh, what is he doing? Oh, he's going to tie you up. Oh, they're smart. Oh my god. Oh, I was going to say Denji is doing a really good job, you know, fighting against her while he's not even like full chainsaw. Jesus, why is his eye popping out like that? Oh my god, it's actually popping out. I thought it was like the animation or something. I'm scared. I'm genuinely scared. Is Denji supposed to be the protag? He's looking kind of crazy. Oh my god. Did he work? No! No! I don't understand. Why can't Power move though? Why can't she? Is it maybe there's like a paralyzing thingy in the tummy of the bat guy? What the? Why can't she move? Oh, Aki.
Cool.
Are?
Yoshi.
Ooh, I like the con voice. Oh. Oh, wait. Is this like the team Makima was talking about? Like the guys with Aki right there. Well, I mean, I guess everything worked out, but that was really cool though. That's actually really cool. Oh, he's cutting apples for him? Oh my god, they're so cute! Oh. Oh, that means he could... Oi, wasn't he making the apples for him? Well, okay, so that means they're like, if he uses the Fox Devil too much, he could die. I think. Yeah. It was for the cats. Oh my god! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, okay, that wasn't... that last part wasn't a good one. Wait, what condition? Okay, I mean, that's reasonable. Wait, I just noticed that like Denji has a different accent than Aki though. Is it maybe because Denji is more from the rural area? Or maybe I'm imagining it. Because like Aki, the way he speaks Japanese, it kind of sounds different a bit. Hey, I'm glad the two of them are like, you know, getting along well. Wait, she knew? Oh my god. I would love to know like Aki's backstory with the devils though. Like I hope they do like a whole flashback or something. That would be really cool. Because his hate towards devils? Yeesh, oh my lord. I mean, I do know the devil's really dangerous. Where is he? He didn't really knock. Oh, oh! Aki likes Makima. Or maybe he just respects her too much.
そこで超悪い悪魔が住んでるっぽい家を発見し、こちらは我々4課が駆除しました。報告は以上です。
Oh, he's in reports.
知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠く
Oh, yeah, that's not
こ
good.
ちらは信じがたいほどのバカですから。
逸脱は
Oh
違反
shit.
行為だけど。
結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから、不
Okay,
問にしてよ
yeah.
ろしいかと。
Yeah, good job, Aki.
わかりました。早川くんも少し頭が柔らかくなった。一緒に住んでる影響かな。
何も変わってないですよ。
Wait, I'm kind of scared of Makima. I feel like she's really good at reading people, which is why she's really good at manipulating them. I don't know, it's just kind of scary to me. Oh, Denji is still at the hospital because I was like, don't they live together? There we get to see Aki's day-to-day life, you know, normal routine without Denji around. I know, it kind of sounds boring here. Like, no noise, just peace and quiet. I think he misses Denji. Okay. I don't know why his lifestyle is kind of like an old man. But I feel like Aki is really young. Oh, Denji. Okay, Denji's back from the hospital. His dumbass hairstyle. I don't know why he has this hairstyle. He should just let his hair down. So much better. But I guess he would look like any kind of like a regular anime character, so this one makes him more special. Hmm? What the? Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm so sorry, Aki.
一つパワーちゃんに貸してほしいの。デンジ君とパワーちゃんのいい首が見れるからね。
なんで俺の家に。
一番に信用しているからだよ。
No! She's manipulating him!
はい。
No! Oh my
済
god!
ませるのも変だしね。そう。
Holy
心
manipulation.
配しなくてもパワーちゃん。野菜は嫌いじゃ。
野菜を
Oh
投
my
げるの。
god.
てめえ。
クソはたまにしか流さんはじゃ。
流せ。入れ。くせえんだよ。
人間は繊細じゃのう。なあにゃこ。
Oh my god. I mean, she does act like an animal though, so it's understandable she's like this.
あ、おいクソ悪
Ew!
てめえのクソこびりついて取れねえんだよ。
胸を揉ませてやるから揉め。
Oh my god. Oh my god. The moment. Oh my god. The moment of truth. The moment of truth. Yo, am I allowed to watch this?
これどうした。嬉しいじゃろ。揉め揉め。
Oh my. I think I need to like close my eyes. Hmm?
胸を揉んでいい回数は3揉みじゃ。つけたのが1揉み。交互
Okay.
に殺したので2揉み。3揉みじゃ。
Hey, that's nice. Oh my god.
天使。
Are you kidding me? He went from calling her a devil to not an angel? Oh my god. Denji is so easy. Denji is so easy. Hey, thank you so much for watching this episode with me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And hopefully I can see you in the next episode. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody.